Hey, what's up everybody? This video is in response to questions I've been getting about your car AC blowing hot air or car AC not blowing cold air. If you listened inside the engine bay and you hear the compressor kicking on and off, it usually means you're in good shape. That means that you're low on 134, which is obvious to most people, but not to some, especially younger people who don't know much about cars. If it's doing that, you're in good shape, because I'm about to describe actually three most common reasons for your car to do that. The first could be is that it's overcharged. Sometimes people charge it up when it's kind of cool out and early in the morning before they get ready to leave that day, and then they get out in the 105-degree temperature and all of a sudden it's not working anymore. Well, temperature is very important when it comes time to charging these things, and a lot of times people don't look at the temperature indicator on this gauge, or they don't understand it. Essentially that happened to me one day. Actually, I filled the system up until it was full, got to driving down the road, and all of a sudden had no AC, headed out of town. So what I did was pulled over to the side of the road and took a nail and stuck it down into the Schrader valve where you connect the refill port, and just released R134 until the compressor stayed on. At the very moment that I had released enough for that compressor to stay on, that's when I stopped releasing it. That's one way to overcome an overcharge. And that was the third reason. And you know what, I'm trying to remember it. Also, if you're blowing really hot air, there is a water valve that's connected to your engine that can sometimes kick on, and that is often a malfunction in some cars. So there you have it. I'm getting that question a lot, and it's also typed in Google all the time. So I hope that information helps somebody out